Amazon, an endless green tapestry stretching from one horizon to another, as if woven from the very soul of the planet. It is a place where every tiny droplet of water, every simple leaf, carries within it the breath of life and the whispers of time. Here, amidst lush canopies and winding rivers, the Amazon emerges as its own world, mysterious and eternal, where nature displays its most exquisite power and beauty. Amidst this scenery, certain creatures have become symbols of the bond between ecology and spirit in the forest. The jaguar, a majestic and enigmatic predator, moves stealthily through dense shadows, blending into the darkness as if it were part of it. With its golden coat and ancient patterned black spots, the jaguar embodies strength, agility, and adaptation. It is an inseparable part of the Amazon, a silent guardian of the forest. In the forest shadows, each of its steps seems to merge with the heartbeat of the earth, showing perfect harmony with the world around it. Beneath the quiet waters, the anaconda, the largest snake in the world, glides silently, carrying an immense power and mystical beauty. With deep green scales matching the forest's hues, the anaconda is not merely a predator. It is a symbol of hidden strength, of resilience and adaptation that only the Amazon can nurture. Moving through rivers and swamps, the anaconda seems to exist beyond time, carrying the ancient story of the Amazon rainforest within it. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is a living entity, a harmonious symphony of life. Every species, from the tiniest insect to the greatest predators, contributes to the fragile yet enduring balance of this place. To the native people, the Amazon is sacred land, where each creature is a guardian or spirit, carrying the mission to protect the forest. The jaguar is not just an animal, but a symbol of power and vigilance. In the Amazon, every sound, every shadow, every breath of the wind tells a story of deep connection. It is this profound mystery and ancient beauty that has drawn countless explorers, scientists, and nature lovers to witness a world where the magic of nature and its enduring mysteries still thrive. The origins of the Amazon are etched into the rocks and waters of an ancient world, a world that existed millions of years before humans set foot in South America. Imagine a vast silent basin where the Amazon River once flowed westward, an ancient land submerged beneath a primordial ocean. In this endless underwater realm, the future forest lay quietly and patiently, awaiting the forces that would one day raise it from the depths and shape it into the vibrant, life-filled paradise we know today. This transformation began with an immense force, the slow yet powerful rise of the Andes Mountains. The earth groaned, tectonic plates collided, and the land shifted as if guided by an unseen hand. With each inch the Andes grew, the ancient basin changed. The mighty mountains rose as a barrier, blocking the westward flow of the river and redirecting it toward the Atlantic, altering the currents that would become the lifeblood of an infinite, thriving forest. Rain from the Atlantic now filled this vast basin, nourishing it and sowing the seeds for the explosion of life that would transform the Amazon from silent depths into a lush sanctuary. The Amazon rainforest, born from the depths of an ancient ocean, has become a cradle of biodiversity. Beneath towering canopies and along winding rivers, the Amazon is home to millions of species, from the largest trees to the tiniest insects, each playing a sacred role in this ecological symphony. It is here, in this remarkable transformation, that we see the Amazon not merely as a forest, but as a sanctuary, a living reminder of Earth's resilience and beauty. Long before explorers from distant lands arrived in the Amazon, ancient civilizations had thrived within its lush embrace. For thousands of years, indigenous communities called this place home, viewing the forest not merely as a resource, but as a living soul, a sacred presence that sheltered, nourished, and guided them. Over millennia, they forged a connection with the Amazon that was both practical and spiritual, leaving a legacy that echoes through the trees and rivers today. In the 16th century, Portuguese explorers arrived, their hearts filled with wonder and ambition. They ventured into the dense forest, discovering a realm that seemed to breathe and whisper, a place where every leaf, every shadow, and every creature held secrets. Here they encountered jaguars moving like phantoms among the treetops, vibrant birds filling the canopy, and rivers teeming with life. The Amazon revealed itself as an unimaginably rich world, brimming with creatures and plants beyond their wildest dreams. These first encounters between humankind and the Amazon marked the beginning of a relationship that continues to this day, a journey of discovery and reverence. Today, as scientists and indigenous communities work together, they strive to uncover the Amazon's ancient mysteries while protecting its delicate balance. Each generation learns that this forest is not only a marvel of the past, but also a living promise for the future, a call to protect a land that sustains not only itself, but the very heart of our planet. Through each transformation, from ocean floor to verdant forest, from sacred homeland to sanctuary of life, the Amazon stands as a testament to nature's resilience and mystery. This is a realm of timeless beauty, where every tree, river and creature holds a piece of Earth's soul, inviting us to listen and honour the power of creation that dwells within this green paradise. The Amazon rainforest, vast and boundless, spans 6.7 million square kilometres, a green kingdom stretching across 9 countries, with its heart found in Brazil, which holds 60% of this majestic landscape. This immense forest is not only the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, it is a world unto itself, a cradle of life where rivers, trees, animals, and hidden ecosystems dance in eternal harmony. Like a living tapestry, every flowing river, every swaying branch contributes to an ancient rhythm that has endured for millions of years. At the center of this colossal ecosystem lies the Amazon River, a powerful artery that nourishes the land as it winds over 7,000 kilometers. This river, the largest in the world by volume, not only sustains the rainforest, it fuels the heartbeat of the forest, its presence as vital to the Amazon as breath itself. Every second, it sends a life-giving flow to the Atlantic Ocean, symbolizing the Amazon's role in Earth's cycle of renewal. Here, in the shade of trees and along the riverbanks, a silent covenant is kept, a pact in which every plant and creature plays a role in the delicate balance of life. The Amazon, with all its vastness, reveals the beauty of connection, a reminder of nature's boundless wisdom. In the lush depths of the Amazon, this rainforest is home to 10% of all known species on Earth. From towering trees to tiny insects, from rare flowers to fierce predators, the Amazon shelters countless life forms, each a brushstroke in nature's grand design. With approximately 390 billion trees, the Amazon reaches skyward, creating a canopy that captures sunlight, absorbs carbon dioxide, and releases oxygen, providing about 20% of the world's supply. These trees, tall and ancient, stand as sentinels of time, drawing carbon from the air and helping to stabilize our planet's climate. They are not merely plants, they are giants that give life, filtering billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year, mitigating the effects of global warming and weaving the story of the Amazon into the very air we breathe. But the wonder of the Amazon does not stop with its flora. Its animal life is equally vibrant. Jaguars move stealthily under the canopy, their spotted coats blending with dappled shadows. Above, colourful macaws and toucans adorn the air with bursts of colour, while pink river dolphins glide gently through murky waters. Here, every creature, every fish, bird and mammal finds its place in a delicate dance, a web of relationships that sustains and strengthens the rainforest. The biodiversity of the Amazon is nothing short of miraculous, a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience. Each species, from the mighty jaguar to the smallest insect, contributes to the rainforest's balance, playing its part in a cycle that has endured for millennia. These creatures are not merely inhabitants, they are guardians, ensuring that the Amazon remains the vibrant, life-filled sanctuary it has been for centuries. In this vast green land, the Amazon speaks of Earth's fierce vitality and boundless creativity. This forest, with its secrets and beauty, is a sanctuary for all who dwell within it, and a call to humanity to protect and honor this sacred land. The Amazon is not just Earth's lungs, it is nature's beating heart, a reminder of what our world once was, and a vision of what it still could be. With its golden coat adorned with dark rosettes, this magnificent predator has evolved to become one with its surroundings. Known for its extraordinary bite strength, the jaguar possesses an adaptation unlike any other. Its jaws are powerful enough to pierce straight through the skull of its prey, allowing it to hunt with a precision few animals can match. But the jaguar is not bound solely to the land. It is as comfortable in the water as it is on the forest floor. Unlike other big cats, the jaguar is an excellent swimmer, a predator whose territory extends into the rivers. It glides gracefully into the water, hunting fish, turtles, and even small caiman, skills that grant it access to unparalleled food sources and make it an apex predator in this labyrinth of life. By controlling populations of herbivores like deer and capybara, the jaguar maintains the health of the forest, protecting it from the ravages of overgrazing. It is not just a hunter, it is a guardian of balance, a silent force preserving the harmony of this green world. High up in the canopy, where sunlight filters through endless layers of leaves, spider monkeys swing gracefully from branch to branch. Known as the gardeners of the forest, these agile primates play a vital role in the regeneration of the Amazon. With long, prehensile tails acting as a fifth limb, spider monkeys move with ease and fluidity few creatures can match, clinging to branches and leaping through the treetops, rarely touching the ground where danger lurks. The role of spider monkeys in the forest is not merely about survival. They are a lifeline for the Amazon's flora. By eating fruit and dispersing seeds, spider monkeys breathe life back into the soil. Every fruit they eat, every seed they drop, renews the forest, sowing new life and ensuring the diversity of the Amazon thrives. This seed dispersal is a quiet but powerful act, a cycle of regeneration that spans generations and seasons. Intelligent and social, spider monkeys move through the forest in close-knit groups, relying on calls and gestures to communicate, warn, and share knowledge. Through these bonds, they learn, adapt, and survive. Their presence is a testament to the Amazon's intricate web of life, where the role of each creature resonates far beyond itself, sustaining the entire forest. In a flash of blue and yellow, the Caninde macaw, also known as the blue and yellow macaw, soars through the Amazon canopy, a symbol of vibrancy and colour within the vast green expanse. With wings spanning nearly a metre, this macaw embodies the vitality of the rainforest. Its beak, a powerful tool shaped by evolution, allows it to crack even the hardest nuts and seeds, a skill few other creatures possess. Feeding on fruits and seeds, the macaw becomes a sower of the forest, carrying seeds across great distances and planting new growth with every meal. The Caninde macaw is not only a strikingly beautiful bird, but also a social creature, known for its loyalty and intelligence. Flying in pairs or small groups, this macaw is rarely alone. Its calls echo across the treetops, a sound that connects them to one another, no matter how far they fly. For indigenous tribes, the Caninde macaw holds deep meaning, symbolizing unity, loyalty, and the continuity of life. It is a living bridge between the forest's past and future, embodying the spirit of unity and resilience within the Amazon. Each species, from the stealthy jaguar to the agile spider monkey and the radiant macaw, holds a place in this intricate ecosystem, their lives woven together in an unbreakable tapestry. The Amazon, with its ancient wisdom, is not merely a forest, it is a world where life flows in cycles, a testament to the beauty, power and harmony that only nature can create. At the lofty heights of the Amazon's endless canopy, the toucan stands as a vivid symbol of the forest's beauty and mystery. With its oversized beak, adorned in striking shades of orange, yellow and green, the toucan seems almost too colourful for this lush green world. But this long, sturdy beak is more than decoration. It is a tool, an adaptation honed by nature to reach fruits hidden deep within the towering treetops, fruits that no other bird can access. Each time the toucan selects a piece of fruit, it plays a crucial role in the forest's life cycle, scattering seeds across the ground below, sowing new life with every meal. Known for its resonant calls echoing through the treetops, the toucan is also a messenger in the forest. Through its ringing cries, the toucan communicates with others of its kind, creating a network of sound that connects flocks across vast distances. It warns of danger, calls for companionship, and in doing so, weaves a thread of unity through the tapestry of life above. The toucan, with its colours and calls, is not merely a bird. It is the guardian of the Amazon canopy, a silent companion in the endless dance of growth and renewal in the forest. In the shadowy, serene stillness of the Amazon, the three-toed sloth lives within a world of quiet harmony, embodying the ancient wisdom of the forest in patience and balance. Moving with an almost dreamlike slowness, the sloth clings to high branches, sustained by a diet of nutrient-poor leaves. This adaptation, a slow metabolism and a steady pace of life, mirrors the Amazon itself, a place where survival is a gentle equilibrium rather than a hurried race. Yet the three-toed sloth does more than merely survive. It plays a profound role in the Amazon's ecosystem. Its fur becomes a habitat, harboring tiny ecosystems of algae and insects, each contributing to the life of the forest in its own unique way. By feeding on surrounding leaves, the sloth helps maintain plant growth in the forest, while providing sustenance for predators such as the majestic harpy eagle. In the deep shadows of the Amazon River, the black caiman moves like a shadow, a silent force in the murky waters of the rainforest. This formidable predator, sleek and dark, is an ancient guardian of the river, a creature honed by time to become one of the forest's most skilled hunters. With its eyes and nostrils just above the water's surface, the black caiman can remain nearly invisible, watching, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. In these quiet moments, it becomes a part of the river itself, a creature so attuned to its environment that it seems to dissolve into the water. As an apex predator, the black caiman is not only a hunter, but also a guardian of balance in the Amazon River ecosystem. Its presence controls populations of fish, capybaras, and other animals, preventing any species from overwhelming the river's resources. The black caiman is also a living indicator of environmental health. A thriving black caiman population signifies a river teeming with life, while their absence can be a silent warning of ecological imbalance. Every species plays a role greater than itself, symbolizing the resilience, beauty, and interconnected harmony of the Amazon. In their presence, we glimpse the wisdom of an ancient forest that has nurtured life for ages, a sanctuary where each creature, from the tiniest seed disperser to the mightiest predator, contributes to the cycle of life that makes the Amazon an irreplaceable wonder of our planet. The Amazon River, an endless and vast power, is not merely a river. It is the lifeblood of the rainforest, a lifeline threading through the heart of the world's most ancient and complex ecosystem. Stretching over 7,000 kilometers and carrying more water than any other river on Earth, the Amazon holds within its flow the very essence of life. The river's seasonal flooding transforms its landscape, turning dry forests into glistening wetlands where trees and plants adapted to this perpetual cycle burst forth with vitality. In these flooded forests, aquatic plants like the giant Victoria, Amazonica, water lilies spread their massive leaves across the surface, creating floating green islands. Here, the river becomes more than water. It embodies the spirit of renewal and growth. In the Amazon River, life flourishes to a rhythm that is both delicate and powerful, each ripple carrying the whispers of an ancient world, where life has learned not only to survive, but to thrive in harmony with the cycles of water, sun, and forest. The Amazon River is home to creatures with remarkable adaptations, as extraordinary as the river itself. Among them are freshwater stingrays, silent residents of the riverbed whose ancestors once swam in prehistoric oceans. Over millions of years, these stingrays have transformed, perfectly adapted to the river's warm, silt-filled waters. With flattened bodies gliding along the muddy bottom, they are masters of camouflage, blending into shades of brown and green, their colours mirroring the riverbed. Equipped with sensors to detect the faintest movements, these stingrays move like shadows, invisible yet ever-present in the river's depths. Then there are the giants, Arapaima and Pirarucu, ancient beings as timeless as the river's flow. Arapaima, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world, can grow up to 3 meters, its body encased in scales as tough as armor. This fish breathes air, surfacing to gulp oxygen, an adaptation that allows it to thrive even in the stagnant, low-oxygen waters of the Amazon's quiet tributaries. Each time it surfaces, it reminds us of the Amazon's resilience, a life cycle shaped over millennia to thrive in conditions that few other fish could endure. The Pirarucu, the cod of the Amazon, is not only a wonder of size, but also a creature deeply entwined with Amazonian culture. Revered by local communities, this fish has provided sustenance for generations. Its presence a symbol of the river's abundance. With a powerful jaw, the pirarucu preys on smaller fish, controlling populations and maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Together, these creatures, freshwater stingrays, arapaima and pirarucu, are symbols of the Amazon River's endurance and mystery. Each species embodies a story of adaptation, survival, and reverence for the natural world. In the Amazon, where the river's flow carries life across endless landscapes, these creatures reflect nature's boundless creativity and power. They remind us that the Amazon River is not merely water. It is a life force, a sacred pathway through one of Earth's most wondrous and irreplaceable sanctuaries. The Amazon breathes life into our planet, yet it has lost 17% of its forest cover, a haunting scar left by the relentless march of deforestation and unsustainable exploitation. Every tree felled, every acre of forest cleared is not only a loss to the land, but a silencing of voices in the complex symphony of life. As cattle ranching, agriculture and logging carve pathways through its depths, entire ecosystems are disrupted and species are pushed to the edge, permanently altering the forest's delicate balance. Beyond deforestation, a quieter yet equally pervasive force looms: climate change. Prolonged droughts and shorter rainy seasons put immense pressure on this once resilient landscape, threatening to turn parts of this lush sanctuary into arid savanna. This change is not merely visual. It will release vast amounts of carbon back into the atmosphere, transforming the Amazon from a crucial carbon sink into a source of emissions, accelerating the warming of our planet. The fate of the Amazon is intertwined with our choices. Its destiny depends on our willingness to recognize its value and protect its legacy. Amidst these threats, a steadfast hope remains, a collective commitment to protect and restore the life-giving essence of the Amazon. Leading these efforts is the Amazon Region Protected Areas ARPA program, a beacon of resilience since its founding in 2002. ARPA works tirelessly to protect over 128 million acres of the Amazon rainforest, creating one of the largest conservation networks on Earth. Yet no one understands the rhythm of the Amazon better than the indigenous communities who have called it home for centuries. The Kayapo people, with their profound wisdom and guardianship, manage over 11 million hectares of this forest. For them, the Amazon is not merely a resource. It is a sacred heritage, a source of life intertwined with their identity. On their lands, deforestation rates remain significantly lower than in surrounding areas, a testament to the power of commitment and their deep connection to the land. Their protection reminds us that true guardianship lies not in ownership, but in understanding, a responsibility to live in harmony with the land. Through the combined strength of conservation programs like ARPA and the enduring wisdom of the Kayapo and other indigenous groups, a glimmer of hope remains for the Amazon's future. It is a reminder that the Amazon is not just a forest. It is an ancient, sacred entity calling on humanity to remember its role as a caretaker. If we are to preserve this vast, irreplaceable wonder, it will be through unity and resolve, a commitment to honor, protect, and renew the Amazon, the immortal heart of our planet.